Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel Enhance Your Skills. My name is Vikram and I am your online tutor. Today we are going to learn a beautiful function of Excel, how to convert DAT file into Excel in just 1 minute. If you're excited about it, let's hit that thumbs up. So let's start. So this is my screen. So first what I will do is I'll open one Excel file, blank Excel file. Okay. So let me do this. So what next step is I want to open a DAT file from Excel. I'll go to the file. Then I will check for the location. I will click open. Then where is my file? I have to search it. I will click browse. And the file is in my desktop. If you see this file, this is the DAT format. So I will select this, click open, and these steps we need to follow with text import wizard to convert the DAT file into Excel. So first one is delimited. Please ensure this function is clicked. Characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. So this function will help you to separate the commas and tabs separately for each field. After this, we have to click this icon, my data as header. First you need to check file which you are importing must have the headers. Okay, so first row is the header. It looks to me correct. Then I will click here and I will click next. Now next step is to separate the columns with commas. If you see my file is separated with each column with the comma, so I'll click here comma, and this is the data preview which you will see. Now I will go here and click next, and now finish. Now you will see that my file has been converted into Excel, and we can now save this. Save as, browse, desktop. I'll change the format, Excel workbook, save. Now you can see that the file has been created in the desktop. So I'll open this. Now you can see this file is created in Excel format. So that's it. It's only took me around 1 minute to convert the DAT file into Excel file. Thanks, that's all in this video. Do provide us your feedback if you like this video helpful. Let's meet you in our next video with some new tips. Till then, enhance your skills by keep learning. Bye bye.